Obatampa Express Consultancy is an exclusive travel and tour institution with a mission of assisting everybody with a desire to travel abroad to work, study, and to live there. We are specialized in visa acquisition and flight ticketing. Obatampa Express Consultancy is a certified and accredited travel and tour agency that has made impact in the travel and tour institution by assisting majority of Ghanaians to travel to the following countries: Canada, Mexico, Australia, Brazil, Europe, New Zealand, America, and behind control pharmacy. Contact us on the following numbers: 0542 600 008 and also +351 920 143673. Obatampa Express Consultant.